Hello, welcome to Liverpoolfc News Today channel.
Reports in Saudi Arabia are sensationally claiming that Mohamed Salah has already touched down in Jeddah ahead of a blockbuster move from Liverpool to Ittihad. According to Okaz, a daily Saudi Arabian newspaper printed in Jeddah and Riyadh, Salah's transfer from Liverpool to Ittihad has been agreed. Salah is the latest high-profile player targeted by Saudi Arabia's riches, and thieves stepped up their interest this week. Ittihad have already snapped up Fabinho from Liverpool this summer, but are looking to send a shockwave around Europe with their attempts to sign Salah. It was suggested this week that Ittihad were preparing to make a bid of around £118 million. Salah has been regarded as the Gulf state's crown jewel, with Saudi Pro League chief executive Saad Al-Lays traveling to Europe earlier this week to help push through any late deals. And Okaz now claim a breakthrough has been made in their bid to sign Salah from Liverpool. The Egypt international is said to have already flown out to Jeddah by private jet. More to follow. We'll be bringing you the very latest updates, pictures and video on this breaking news story. For the latest news and breaking news, visit Sport and Football. Stay up to date with all the big headlines, pictures, analysis, opinion, and video on the stories that matter to you. Follow us on Twitter at Dexpress Sport, the official daily express.co.uk Twitter account, providing real news in real time. We're also on Facebook at Daily Express Sport, offering your must-see news, features, videos, and pictures throughout the day to like, comment and share from the Daily Express, Sunday Express and express.co.uk.